We are going to do matrix minima method. Considering the table transportation table, you find the minimum cost. The minimum cost 1 occurs in 2 cells. You select any one of the cell. We are selecting the cell 2, 3. There we can put the values minimum of AI and corresponding Bj, that is 8 and 30, which is 8. So 8 will get cancelled. The remaining value in 30 is 22. So you strike out that column. Since you cannot put any more allocations in the third column. Next you find the minimum in the remaining cells. That will be also 1. Minimum cost is 1. So you select the cell 4, 2. There you compare the values 6 and 13. That will be 6 will be your minimum. So put 6 get cancelled, and here remaining 7. So you cannot put any more value in second column. So I strike out that, and next select the minimum from the remaining cost. That will be 2. 2 occurs in 2 places. You select any one of the place cell. I select 2, 1. That cell, in that cell the allocations will be minimum of 22 and 40, that is 22. So 32 get cancelled, and here it is remaining 18. So you strike out the second row. Now choose the next minimum in the remaining cells, that will be 2. So you select the cell 4, 1. There you can place the allocation 7. So strike out 7. So minimum remaining 11. So you strike out the fourth row. You cannot put any more allocations there. Next minimum will be 3. That 3 occurs in the 2 cells. You select any one of the cell. I select 1, 1. There you can put minimum value 11. So remaining 9. So you can strike out the first column, and remaining there are 4 costs, 8, 9, 40 and 3. Here it is the we have the minimum in the cell 3. There you can put the allocation 6, which is the minimum of 6 and 15. So you can strike out 6, and here it is the minimum 9. So you cannot put any more allocation in the fourth column. Strike out the fourth column, and there are 2 more cells. That the minimum 8 cost. There you can put allocation 9 and remaining 9. So first row get cancelled. There is only one cell, it is 40. You have to put the allocation 9 there. So it is AI is 9 and BJ is 9. You have to put 9 there, and this is the allocation. Now after finishing, you can erase out all the striked out lines. So this is our allocation. You can find the transportation cost for this initial basic feasible solution. So is equal to, you can multiply the allocation by the corresponding cost. That is 11 into 3 plus 9 into 8 plus 22 into 2 plus 8 into 1 plus 9 into 40 plus 6 into 3 plus 7 into 2 plus 6 into 1. You find the cost. Now here the number of allocated cells is equal to number of rows. What are the number of rows? 5 plus number of columns, it is 4 minus 1, that is 8. So there are 8 allotted cells. So this is a non-degenerate basic feasible solution. Non-degenerate basic feasible solution. So number of allocation is exactly 8. You can find the cost for this initial basic feasible solution. Okay, that's all.